Hello guys, welcome back. Hope everyone are doing fantastic. Guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use a CoinDCX exchange in detail for beginners. Now, if you're a beginner to this exchange, then my suggestion is watch the video till the end without skipping because I'm going to be explaining everything in detail. Okay, now before we start, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now the first thing is you should have an account on CoinDCX exchange. Now, in case if you don't have an account, then I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So you can click on that link and create an account on CoinDCX exchange. Now the second thing is you should complete your KYC. After completing KYC, you should link your bank account. Now, how do you link your bank account? So to do that, click on the profile icon which is to your upper left corner. Click on account settings. Now here you have this option called account details. So click on this and link your account. That's it. And here on your profile settings, you have various other options. Okay, so do check out all that. Now once you link to your bank account, the next step is you should deposit money onto your CoinDCX account. To do that, you should click on this option called funds. Here you have two options, deposit and withdraw. Click on deposit. Here enter your amount, like how much you want to deposit, and click on this select a payment method. So here I'll be paying with UPI. Click on continue, and here you should select the UPI app. Like you can either use Google Pay or Phone Pay. I'll select Google Pay. Now click on pay via Google Pay. Click on proceed. Now it will take you to Google Pay, and once you complete the transaction, just come on to CoinDCX. In just few minutes time, your deposit will be detected and it will be shown here. But remember one thing guys, you should deposit money from the same bank account that you link to your CoinDCX account. Now assume that you have two bank accounts, one on Canada Bank and one on SBI Bank. So if you have linked a SBI Bank account to your CoinDCX account, then you should make the transactions from that SBI account only, even though those both account belongs to you. In case if you had linked SBI account and if you make a transaction from Canara Bank, then your deposit will not be detected and it will be refunded back within 15 working days. Now guys, you bought crypto on CoinDCX exchange, you sold crypto and you made some profit. Now, how do you withdraw this profit to your bank account? To do that, to withdraw, just click on this withdraw INR option. Enter how much you want to withdraw and click on continue. That's it. Okay guys, now I'll show you the general stuff like how to buy and sell crypto on CoinDCX exchange, all that kind of stuff. Okay, now I'm back on my CoinDCX homepage and my deposit of 1000 rupees is showing here. And down below you have all these options like home, markets, web3, futures and portfolio. Now to buy and sell crypto, you should come on to the market section. And at the top you have watch list, signals, spot and futures. So if you want to buy and invest in cryptocurrency, then you should come on to the spot section. Guys, futures is leverage trading and it's highly risky. Okay, it's not for beginners. And in case if you're a beginner and if you want to try futures trading, then the chances are 100% of the time you will lose money. So if you're new, then stay away from this futures trading unless you know what you're doing. Now under spot you'll find hundreds of coins. Okay, now if you have any coin in your mind that you want to search, then you can search by clicking on this search option here. I'll search for Pepe, and now if you want to add this Pepe coin to your watch list, then simply just tick this star option. Now down below you have this buy and sell option, and just above that you have this view chat option. So if you click on that, it will take you to this Pepe chat just like this. Okay, now here you can use this chat to do your thing. Okay, like a technical analysis stuff. And here if you click here, you can select the chart time duration, and you also have this candles option and indicator option. Okay, now to buy or invest in Pepe, simply click on this buy option. Now in this value box here, enter like how much rupees you wanna buy. I'm gonna select 100% of my funds on Pepe. And if you wanna know like how much you're spending in transactional fee, then you can see that by clicking on this icon here. So here the order value is 999.2 rupees and CoinDCX fee is 4.9 rupees. Okay, now to buy Pepe, simply swipe this option. So yes guys, the Pepe order has been executed, and my funds here has become zero. Now if you go into your portfolio and if you click on this option here, it will show like your pending orders and transaction history. And if you come back to your home page and if you click on this bell icon here, and under transaction also, you can find your transactional history. And all the coins and cryptocurrencies that you buy or invest will all be shown here on your portfolio section. Okay, now if you want to sell any crypto, then go into the market section and in the search box search for your cryptocurrency. Now I'm going to click on Pepe, click on sell. Here enter how much you want to sell, and down below just swipe this to sell. That's it. Okay guys, now what you saw was spot trading. Okay, now coming to futures trading, in the next part I'll show you how to trade futures. Okay, now before we proceed, I'm going to tell you one thing. Before you get into futures, please do your proper research. Futures trading is highly risky and you can lose everything instantly. And yes, this is my portfolio that I'm building on my CoinDCX account. And my plan is to take this portfolio to 1.5 crore rupees in this next 2025 bull cycle. And guys, instead of 1100 rupees, I've deposited more. Okay, so I have 5000 rupees in my wallet right now. Now guys, come on to the market section and in the search box, enter USDT. Click on buy. Here there's a limit option and a market option. So I'll select the market option and I'll click on this 100%. So if I click on this 100%, then I'll be using all 100% of my funds to buy USDT. Now swipe this to buy USDT. So yes guys, I've purchased 54.2 USDT. Now I'll go back and under portfolio, here you can see that I have 54 USDT. Okay, now at the top you have three options: spot, futures, and funds option. So under futures, you can see that I have 0 USDT. So if you want to trade on futures, then you should have USDT balance here under this futures section. Now to transfer USDT from spot wallet to futures section, click on this add option down below, and here under this asset, click here and select USDT. So I'm transferring USDT from spot wallet to futures wallet. Click on transfer to futures wallet. So done. On my futures wallet now, I have 54.2 USDT. Alright guys, now I'll show you how to trade on futures. For that, you should come on to the futures section. Guys, at the top, you have two options: INR margin and USDT margin. So I'll come on to the USDT margin. It's because I'll be trading under USDT, right? So I'll select USDT margin. Now if you click here, you'll be given with the list of all the cryptocurrencies that are available on that exchange to trade on futures. Okay guys, now the thing is, you created account on CoinDCX and you added funds successfully, right? But if you're a beginner, then where exactly, like at what price should you open the trade? Which coins should you select? You won't be knowing that, right? Guys, don't worry, okay? On my Telegram channel, I'll give you the best future trade signals that you can use to open trades. So here I gave Solana futures trade signal. And guys, not only future trade signals, I'll also be posting crypto educational and crypto related content. And in case if there's any emergency crypto news, then I'll first update there on my Telegram channel. So in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then do that now. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay guys, now I'll use this Solana trade signal. So I'll click on this BTC option and I'll click on Solana. Guys, here if you click on this extension option right here, it will display the Solana graph in full view, and you can use tools and you can carry out your all your technical analysis here. Now guys, here you have this option called isolated. So if you click on this isolated option, again you'll get two more options called isolated and cross mode. So what are these? Guys, now assume that you have 100 USDT on your futures wallet and you used only 30 USDT to open trade on Solana under isolated. So in case if the market crashes and if your trade gets liquidated, then you lose only this 30 USDT, and the rest 70 USDT which you have on your futures wallet will be safe and secure. Now if you open trade under a cross margin and if you put 30 USDT on Solana trade, and in the market, in case if there's high volatility, if your trade gets liquidated, then you will not only lose this 30 USDT. Along with this 30 USDT, you'll also lose that 70 USDT which you have on your futures wallet. So I think you understood this too. Okay, now I'll go with isolated mode. Now here there's something called 1x. Guys, this is nothing but leverage. Guys, the higher leverage you select, higher will be the risk, and lower the leverage you go with, lower will be the risk. And yes guys, higher leverage means high risk with high rewards. Guys, usually I mention that in my future trade signals that I give on my Telegram channel, like how much leverage you should select. So just go with that leverage. So here I'll go with 10x leverage. Click on confirm. Now down below you have two options, long and short. Guys, if you think that the market might pump, then go with long, and if you think the market might crash, then go with short. Now if you click on this market option, you will get four other options. So if you select the limit option, then you can set at what price you wanna take entry. Right now Solana is trading at $210, right? So if you wanna like open trade at $200, then simply enter that here. Once Solana comes down to $200, then your trade will get executed. Now, if you select the market option, then your trade will get executed at the current market price. Here, swipe this or enter like how much USDT you wanna put on this Solana trade. And again down below, you have this add TP bar SL option. This is nothing but take profits and stop loss. So enter your take profits here. In case if you don't know like what is this, guys, assume that you opened Solana trade at $200, and if you want to close the trade at $250, then simply enter that here. Once the Solana coin pumps to $250, automatically your trade will get closed, and a stop loss is nothing but closing the trade automatically to limit the losses. Guys, here I know that the market will pump, so I'll go with the long option. And here in the position you can see that my trade has been executed successfully. Now here also you have this TP bar SL option. So if you want, you can also set that here. And yes guys, the most important thing I want to mention is how to push your liquidation far enough. Guys, here my entry is at $211, right? And my liquidation is at $191. So if the Solana price comes down to $191, then my trade will get liquidated. Now to push the liquidation, I'll click on this adjust option. Click on margin. Here enter how much USDT you want to add. I have like about 33.1 USDT. So I'll enter 33.1. Click on add margin. Yes guys, here you can see that my liquidation is pushed from $191 to $157. So my Solana trade is much safer now. Guys, you can also add more margin to push liquidation even more further. Now in case if you want to add extra 150 USDT in margin, then my liquidation will get pushed to $7.9. So guys, do you think the Solana price will crash to $7.9? Never. So this is how you protect your trade, okay, from liquidation in case if you have more funds with you. And guys, if you want a future trade signals, then do follow me on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Guys, if you use the exchange, on the exchange, you'll find something called Web3. Now, what is this Web3? Now, at the middle, there's an option called Web3. So, if you click on this option, here on this section, you'll find all the new coins and meme coins that hit the market recently. Guys, if any new meme coins comes into the market, you'll find it here, okay, on this CoinDCX Web3. Guys, I've also made a detailed video on this CoinDCX Web3, okay, and I've shown how to purchase those new coins, and I've shown each and everything. So do check that video out, okay. I'll leave the video link in the description of this video. Now to go back to CoinDCX, click on this option here. And guys, one more thing, in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then do follow me there, okay. On my Telegram channel, I keep sharing future trade signals, spot signals. I'll tell you when to enter the market, when to exit the market, and those kind of stuff. And in case if I get any emergency crypto news, then the first thing I'll do is I'll just post it on my Telegram channel first. Because if I get any emergency news, then I can't make a video and upload, right? So the first thing I'll do is I'll post it on my Telegram channel. So make sure you follow me there. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay, now one more unique feature about CoinDCX is staking. Guys, this staking feature is usually available only on international exchanges, right? On Indian exchanges, rarely we have this feature. So CoinDCX has this unique feature. Guys, now if you're holding crypto in your portfolio, say like long term, and if you wanna earn some like passive income on your holdings, then you can stake your crypto. So to stake your crypto, click on this earn option, and under simple option, you'll find all these coins which are available for staking. And you'll also find the interest percentage, okay, to your right side. Injective 11% returns, Tether 10%, Kusama 7%, Near Protocol 7%, Solana 5%, and so on. Guys, this 5%, 10% returns is not monthly, okay? It's annual income returns in percentage. So now I'll stake Solana here. To stake Solana, click on Solana. Here select the time duration for how long you wanna stake your crypto. I'll select 30 days. Now here in this box, enter like how much Solana you wanna stake. I'll click on max. Now down below, swipe this to start staking. So on this page here, it will show your estimated payout, invested value, payout date, payout type, earn status, and various other stuff. So guys, if you're holding cryptocurrency for long term, then if you wanna earn little passive income on this, then you can stake your cryptocurrency holdings. But if you're in this crypto industry for short term, like 1 to 3 months, 4 months, then I suggest you like not to stake your crypto. Okay, now I've staked Solana, right? So I'll come on to my profile section and I'll click on Solana. Here you can see that the 0.65 Solana that I have staked is now locked. So after my 30 days time duration, my Solana will get unlocked. And guys, in case if you don't want to lock your crypto, then you can also go with flexible staking. In flexible staking, you can stake and unstake your crypto whenever you want, okay? But the returns will be a little bit lower when compared to locked staking. And one more thing I want to add is if you come on to the market section, at the top you have an option called signals. So if you come on to this section, here you'll see traders suggesting long or short calls. Now guys, I don't encourage you guys to like see that and invest your money on trading. Guys, I'm just showing you like you can refer all these traders and like what they're doing, and you can take decisions based on that. So this is also one good feature that CoinDCX has. So if you want to do futures trading, then first buy USDT with INR and transfer that USDT to future section under your portfolio section. And yes guys, you can also do futures trading using INR or USDT also. It's up to you. Okay guys, now I've shown all the important basic stuff, okay? Now, in case if you don't have an account, then I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So click on that link and create an account on CoinDCX exchange. Alright guys, now if you have any doubts related to this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. And guys, please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.